These like people protesting.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I've made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I
ACS
stuck to the
creating
status quo
SIP
and stayed in
event.
things I never know. But when I see my friends, I see them with this glow.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dudu, back at it again with another banging video. In today's video, as you already see by the title, I am going to be doing a vloggy vlog. It's gonna be a uni vlog, a day in my life. You know we love those. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So today is a Thursday and it's not my busiest day, but it's still quite a busy day. So I decided, let me actually film today because, you know, I can balance filming and going throughout my day. And today there's something exciting going. Let me actually drop the agenda for today. So it's currently about 10:20 a.m. I am still at home. My classes today, my in-person classes today are at 1 to 2 p.m. and then I have a PP by programming class from 2 until 4 p.m. So yeah, I just said I'll start my day at home, and then later on in the day I have an ACS event. I have an ACS event called Create and Sip. It's part of the events for the Black History Month celebration. So yeah, we've had a couple of those and I've hated that I haven't had the time to be able to like film them. But yeah, you guys, let's get straight into today. The agenda, like I already mentioned, I'm gonna start doing work now. Then we're going to go into like travel to uni. Get to uni, I have 2 back-to-back classes. One is 1 hour, one is 2 hours, and then we're gonna like chill and then study. Then we're gonna go to like the other campus, like guys campus, for the ACS Create and Sip event. Like I'll tell you guys a lot more about that later on, but just know it's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be fun. It's like paint and sip, create and sip. So I'm not even creative, but guys, we need to de-stress, and so we're gonna do that today. Like yeah, I am going to like start watching videos now, and then we're going to head out. And today is actually quite like cold. It's really cold. It's giving winter, and so yeah, let me just stop talking, stop rambling. I feel like I've forgotten how to vlog, but yeah, I'll just like catch you guys when we're leaving. So I don't know if anyone is interested in what I'm actually studying or like the modules I'm actually doing, but I am gonna mention it because I feel like sometimes I just like swift through that and there's actual computer science people who watch my videos. So in second year, I'm taking a software engineering group project module. So it's just like software engineering, but the main part is the fact that we'll be doing group projects, and then I have practical experiences of programming, something, I don't know man, but it's a programming module where we're doing C++. So for software engineering group project, we're doing Python and Django. I have internet systems, and I have foundations of computing too, which is like but yeah, that is basically second year modules. And right now I'm doing software engineering, the software engineering group project module, and guys, there's literally so much that needs to be done. Every week I have so many videos to watch. Like I am one person. Anyone else in my year can relate to this. Like let me stop complaining and let's get it done. Let's actually get it done. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to like tell you guys my modules because I feel like we haven't actually had that chat, you know? So yeah. So you guys, I'm all ready to go. This is my outfit for today. Very simple, very casual. And yeah, I'm just gonna head out now for my 1 p.m. class, so it's around 11 right now, and so it's gonna take me like 30 minutes to get to campus, and I just want to be there early. So yeah, let's go. So you guys, I just bumped into a protest and it looks like it's people from Zim, so I'm just gonna like check out what's going on. As you guys can see, these like people protesting. It was something about like violence and stuff, so I'll have to research on that and then maybe I'll put it on the screen and find out, because I saw like some man recording it on a proper camera. But yeah, interesting. And like it's actually Zimbabwe, which is my country, so here. My class only starts at 1 p.m. and it's currently like 12:40 something, so I'm gonna find this quick study space to sit and like figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of just like chill before I get into it, because I have a class from 1 to 2, then 2 to 4, so it's gonna be like back to back, so I need to like kind of debrief. But yeah,
One hour later.
You may think that I know too much, but now it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm
currently taking a short break. I finished my 2-hour tutorial and I'm just decided to like stay and do work. So that is the update.
somebody to talk. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, simmer. Comfort queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this package is too tight, ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that, ah, yeah. And sometimes desserts are best when last. Oh, your daddy gonna beat my ass.
1 hour later.
Too much, because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
Talking. Yeah,
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I've made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England, never know. But when I see my friends, I see them with this coat.
Gone into the same pose because
it seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city.
So you guys, quick update because I haven't told you guys what's going on. I am now in London Bridge area because I'm going to Guy's campus, and that's where we're having the ACS Create and Sip event. I'll show you guys what it's about, but yeah, basically when I was like getting out of the building, I bumped into like one of my friends, like this girl that I met at one of the events, and we like hit it off, and so it was so nice to see her. We basically walked across that Waterloo Bridge together, and it was nice. And then when I like walked out of London Bridge, like the station, I bumped into my other friend. You guys, like today is actually a good day. But yeah, we're going to the ACS event and I'll show you guys what that's about. But yeah,
is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say. Yeah, I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways. But I'll be thinking about parallel days.
Oh my god, I was saying my sister your YouTube channel today. I was showing my sister your YouTube
If
channel
I'd
today.
stayed in my city.
And I didn't clock. Are you out on the YouTube channel?
Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say. Yeah, I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways. But I'll be thinking about parallel days. That was me.
you're gonna be on my YouTube channel.
If I'd stayed
Yeah, I do.
in my city.
Do you have YouTube as well? Okay, we need to.
Red,